So how do you make nice process documents without fancy software? I'll show you how. Get this, you want to go up here and you can hit this area that pulls it down. There's Google Slides. That's what Google Slides looks like. So you hit that and it launches. Once it launches, you can go start a new document, blank. And then the first thing to do is to click on that one, hit Control X to get rid of it, Control X, and it's gone. Then the next thing you want to do is do the pull down, get a blank document, pull it up. Now then, what we're wanting to do is to divide this off and get a photo over here in a consistent size and a text box in a consistent size. So you slide this over a little bit, you see the vertical, grab it, bring it over, just drop it. It's going to drop and it's going to be the same size every time. Then we're going to get a text box. Text box is going to come in, we're going to make it perfect. Now then, I want to change the font size and I have to click something to get the font. So once I get the font, hit 36. That's what I want, 36 font. Okay, so 36 font is perfect. So once you have the 36 font, then you could, pretend I'm typing because it's only one-handed. I can't do everything at the same time and hold all this. So you get the idea. All right. Next, I want to duplicate this slide. So go back up to slide. Okay. I want to hit slide. I want to hit duplicate slide. It's going to do it again. I want to hit slide. I want to duplicate slide. I want to hit slide, duplicate slide. Okay. So now I've got 4 slides exactly the same, which you don't want, but for consistency's sake, you do want it that way, and I'll show you why. I'm going to click on the second one. Then this is actually the second slide. You may not be able to tell that yet, but if you click on this slide, hit Control X, that deletes it. But I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab another photo. As I drag that photo in, okay, you notice that's a little bit off size, and I can tell that because it didn't fill it in all the way. So I'm going to say Control X. That was evidently a bad photo. This one I know was the right size. So click that one, see how that fills it in completely? That's exactly the right size. So they're all taken at the same time, all vertical, all same size format. Click this, I can retype over the top of anything I want to in here. I can type anything I want. And step 2, do this, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. We're talking about a process. All right, so that's the second slide. Third slide, same thing. Click that, hit Control X, deleted it. I can drag my new photo in and just keep doing this again. So I just grab another photo, drag it in here. It's vertical, it fills it right up. Okay, go over here, change my print, whatever I want it to be. Great, do the same thing on the fourth, and let's pretend I did that. Now then, so the next thing I want to do is hit File, down here where it says Print Settings and Preview. Click that. Up here, real important, this next says right here, I don't want one slide with notes. I want 4 slides. Right here, 4 slides. So I click that. It's going to give me 4 slides. And that is how you do it. If you had 8 or 10 or 12, it's going to just say 4. It'll just do the first page, the second page, and the third page. And that is a great way we can do process documents using Google Slides, a free program, and come out nice and clean and nice and readable and perfect in a free program. Very lean.
Certainly doesn't take the place of making videos to explain things, but there are times when a standard process document is important, and Google Slides helps.